Passing your ACCA exams is a tough challenge, but you don't need to do it alone. As a trusted ACCA expert tutor, I have been teaching tax to students since 2003 and have developed a course and programme of support to help you pass your advanced tax studies. Life is busy, and the reality is you're probably finding that you're having to juggle hundreds of other deadlines and responsibilities as well as finding time to study. Perhaps you've been finding that the traditional classroom route or distance learning route haven't been working for you and you're looking for something different. You need something more flexible, and that's where I come in. Inside my highly successful courses, you will be supported every step of the way. It's time to escape the overwhelm of the huge syllabus and work through my easy to follow modules, where I've broken that content down into easier chunks to manage and follow that's much more accessible. These on-demand training videos will take you through the content and technique you need to be able to attempt past paper questions and prepare for the exam. They include full debriefs of past paper questions where I help you to improve your exam technique. You'll have regular check-ins from me, and also you'll get marking done on a regular basis throughout the tuition and revision phases, where you'll receive some bespoke guidance on where you can improve your performance. But what if you've got some questions while you're going through this course? The final feature and most popular feature of my courses is the WhatsApp messaging support throughout. You have direct access to me via WhatsApp to ask any questions you have, solve any doubts, or just get some general advice on how best to approach your studies. As a former member of the ACCA tax examining team and having marked thousands and thousands of student scripts and taught thousands of students over the years, you can trust that you are working with an expert tutor trusted by ACCA, whose pass rates are regularly above the global average standard. To hear about how my courses can help you pass your exam and achieve the career you've always dreamt of, why not check out some of the testimonials from my past students? Or if you're keen to dive straight in and get started and join the next cohort of students, see the link in the description below and come and join us. I look forward to helping you pass your advanced tax exam.